Good evening, everyone. My name is Nuku. My mother, Nuku, she is the younger sister of Seini's late mother, Faleaka. I'm not usually one for sharing, but all of a sudden tonight I just got the urge. I just wanted to get up and share some sweet memories I have of our big sister here. When I think of Seini, the word that comes to mind when I think of her is a warrior. Out of us cousins on her mother's side, Seini is one of the stronger ones. Not only strong-minded, but also physically, if you try to test her. I haven't been silly enough to get to that point of testing her. Seini was always big on our cultural stuff. Around our Tongan, just living as a Tongan, especially for the non-Tongans here, the women in the family in the Tongan culture hold a very high status within the Tongan culture. So the relationship between a brother and sister is quite a sacred thing. As you can see, Melie and Maria and his kids, as a brother, his tauvala is a little bit more rough than what Funaki's wearing. That's just showing his respect to his sister. But Seini was always quick to remind us boys on the mother's side, of our position and our respect that we share for our sisters. This obviously I know, but just being young, just trying to have banter with my sisters, we had a little gathering. I think Seini had come over to New Zealand to visit us, and I'd made some small remark, little joke to one of my sisters, and straight away Seini's eyes just lit up. And she said, "Don't you ever talk to your sisters like that again." And Seini was also someone that she loved hard. Didn't matter who you were, if you made it in some kind of connection with you, then you'd know that she would show that love hard. And she would always boost you up. She would always cheer me up. I remember sometimes I wish she was like a boy to be my wingman so we could go out together. I remember I was coming to the end of my playing days and over in England, and I'd signed for just some Division 3 team over there who were paying pennies. It was more I wasn't ready to come home. They were just paying just enough for my extracurricular activities in the weekends. But I didn't really tell anyone, I just wanted to stay over there. And then she was seeing Seini's post on Facebook, being like, "I'm so proud of my baby bro here doing this thing." Then I had to quickly private message her, "Oh, can you take it down? Because I'm kind of embarrassed of this Div 3 team over here." But no matter what we did, Seini would always be a number one supporter. Unfortunately, I'm the only one out of my siblings who haven't graduated from uni. But she didn't ever put me down. And unfortunately, I wasn't obviously not happy about that. But fortunately, in the past few years, I went into business. And then straight up, as my mum told Seini messaged me straight away, "See, Loto, this is your calling. I always knew you were an entrepreneur. You're such a people person." Yeah, you're right, The education system wasn't made for me. Watch me make more money than these people with degrees. Seini, you're going to be truly missed. I'll try and minimize any remarks that I make towards my sister, knowing that you'll be watching over me. But we truly love you, Seini, and I just ask that you continue to look over us, keep geeing me up in my low times, and I love you, Seini. Manatu.
Thank you. The well-spoken young man is from New Zealand also.